Hi, I'm John Trischler from Specialty Performance Parts, and that's SPVparts.com. And today we've got an exclusive product to show you again. This is the new bumper light mount kit for a 2017, 18, 19, and the upcoming 20 Raptor. So this light bar mount kit, or bumper mount kit in this case, allows you to utilize factory bolts behind the factory bumper to mount a new bracket to house a 40-inch curved light bar. This is a 40-inch light bar by Rigid. This is a Radiance version. The Radiance version has the amber backlight, so that gives you that cool effect like your marker lights and your Radiance lights that you can put for the fogs. This is a really cool option because what it does is it utilizes, again, the factory holes behind the bumper so that you can mount this without modifying your bumper, without having to replace your bumper. We all know there are a lot of aftermarket bumper options out there, and most people get those bumper options to be able to mount lights and things like that to them. In this case, you don't have to do that. You can utilize this new bumper mount kit to be able to add curved light bars. We have some other accessories that are going to be able to be mounted to this as well. So you'll be able to put multiple round lights, square lights, KC lights, you name it, to the front of these as well. But this light bar option I really like because, again, it's the Radiance version with the amber backlight. Kind of has a cool effect as you're going down the road. We're going to get some night shots here to show you, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. This Radiance light bar is a spotlight, but because it's curved, it also has a wide spectrum. So you're going to be really impressed how that looks at night when we show you these night shots. So stay tuned for that. These bumper mounts come in a stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust, with a matte black textured finish for a real clean OEM look. And we'll get some close-ups here so you can see how they look on the truck and see how they mount. And then we'll take it out and see how it does at night. All right, so let's go ahead and get up close on this and you can see what this kit looks like. So the main component here is the stout stainless steel black powder coated brackets. These are a 7-gauge stainless steel. These are heavy duty. These are very strong. This is going to mount your light or your other accessories to your bumper here without much movement at all. It's very stout. So you've got your brace here that is going to mount to the top plate, and this mounts to an existing bolt behind here, behind the bumper, and the other end mounts behind the front of the bumper. Installation is very simple, and there is a video for that as well. So if you buy this kit, not only is it going to come with instructions, but you're also going to have a video you can watch for the installation portion. But again, you don't have to take the grill out. This trim panel here will snap out and you can install this very, very, very easily. One of the main reasons that you might want to consider this light bar kit versus, say, an aftermarket bumper, the factory bumpers are designed to be lightweight. That keeps the weight off of the vehicle. Again, the Raptors, this second generation Raptor, Ford worked really hard to reduce the weight of the truck by several hundred pounds. That helped the ride and the handling of the truck. So it's no surprise that when you put an aftermarket solid steel bumper on there that weighs another 200 or 300 pounds, you're going backwards. That's going to weigh that truck down, especially in the front. So when you're making sharp corners, it's going to change the handling dynamics of the truck. Yes, it looks cool, but again, you know, there's kind of a blend between what looks good and what takes away your performance and your handling. This will do none of that because it doesn't weigh a few hundred pounds like that replacement bumper, and you can get the same effect with one of these aftermarket light bars. That's an important thing to think about when you're trying to decide whether or not to do an aftermarket bumper or the factory bumper light bar mount kit. All right, so we'll get an outside shot here at night of the amber backlight. So this is what the truck's gonna look like driving down the road. How cool is that? So there's your amber backlight. Pretty cool. Again, this is the Radiance series. There are going to be any curved 40-inch light bar should fit on this bracket. So whether that be from Baja Designs or Rigid, there's the Rigid E series as well. You'll be able to utilize that with these brackets as well. But the Radiance is kind of cool because it's just got a different look to it altogether. And that's just a really cool effect with the amber marker lights and the surround on the Rigid Radiance scene version here in the bottom right corner and the fog lights as well. You can get those, either the 3 Radiance lights to go with it on our site, or you can get the single. This one has the side shooter light kit as well. You really should watch some of those other videos. Really cool effect. Since we're at it, I'm going to go around to the back too, so you can see the red Radiance lights as well. Again, there are the red Radiance lights as well. The Radiance 360 kit will have 3 Radiance in the front and 1 red in the rear. All right, so here's the light bar on. Pretty incredible. Crazy amount of light that this puts out. You can see, of course, the cornfield's blocking it, but you're going to get a lot of light out of this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take a look here. We're going to turn on the light bar. Right now, it's just the headlights. We're going to turn on the light bar. That is a tremendous amount of light from that light bar. Look at how far away you can see. Again, it's a spotlight, but with the curve, it really lights everything up. It's pretty insane. All right, we're going to go ahead and turn on that light bar again here real quick. Huge amount of light, huge amount of light. Wow. So light bar off. I don't know why the wipers just went on, but light bar off. All right, let's take a look. That's off, that's on. Wow, just the light bar, just the light bar and the headlights, but you can see a huge difference there. But I mean, the fog lights are not on. This is just the light bar. That's crazy. That's a great amount of light. So I think you guys are going to be really happy with this kit. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And visit SPVparts.com. I think you'll be happy you did. You're going to see this kit available for sale, as well as many, many others. A lot of our products, we try to carry and design products that require little to no modification to your vehicle to give you more of that OEM quality, that OEM fit and finish that is really lacking in the industry, I think. So, you know, like this, where you don't have to get a big metal aftermarket bumper to install your light, it gives you more of a clean finish. And with all stainless steel components, you don't have to worry about rust and corrosion. But again, I think you owe it to yourself. Visit us, spvparts.com, and I think you'll be happy you did. We'll see you next time.